see me own those three? It was...
I can't be around you right now.
Vampy thinks her dog is a pig, kicks him to curb.
I am sizzling.
Cleo endangers guests with busted party favors.
How's Gil enjoying his summer vacation so far? He hasn't returned any of me texts or emails. His folks were pretty aggro about him being with me.
It's the first day of vacation. He's probably just busy.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Heath, have you seen your cousin? He was supposed to meet me here.
You got stood up by Jackson? Awesome! Oh, but don't feel too bad about it. What do you expect? He's a normie.
Just go in there. You can do this. No, you can't. You don't belong. Nobody wants you there. Freaky does.
She's not dumping you, dude.
She totally is. I eat like a pig. Typical wolf behavior. Of course Dracula is gonna be too embarrassed to be with me.
Yo, this ain't a party. This is a party! Yeah! Let's do this. Your boy hold high on the squeals all steel. Yeah! Yo, high-powered hottie.
Who, me?
Yeah, you're the only one electric enough to save me. Alright, Frankie Feinstein saves the day!
Oh, please. I know I'm an animal, but I can change. If you just give me another chance.
I don't want you to change, silly.
Then why'd you push me away?
Because you are eating garlic. I'm a vampire. I can't be around you when you eat that. Now go brush your teeth and we'll dance.
This party really got out of hand. Every monster who's any monster showed up.
There's already dozens of pictures up on the ghostly gossip.
Remember when his sister Nefera threw that bash and blamed it on Cleo? I'm worried about her getting into trouble. She was grounded for a month.
Big shout out to Cleo for throwing the bash of the century!
Even when I don't know about it, I still throw the best parties!
Yeah, but if your dad finds out,
My father is out of town. He won't find out unless somebody tells him. And who would do that?
That would be me.
Nefera, what are you doing back?
Don't worry your mediocre-looking little head about that. You've got bigger things to worry about. Like how to keep me from telling Dad about this party.
Please don't tell him! I'll do anything you ask!
That's what I'm counting on. Prepare yourself, little sister. This is going to be the worst summer of your life.